What's up YouTube? This is Wisco Boater Channel. My name is Chad. Wasn't going to make a video of what I'm doing today, but the results are turning out so good that I figured I might as well make a video on cleaning the inside of this canvas. And you can see just from regular use, the inside of these canvases do get kind of dirty. I'm not sure if it's just dirt or if there's some mold associated with whatever's on the bottom side of the canvas here. There's a rather large boat coming out of the fuel dock. Sea ray of some kind, I think. Anyway, I started doing this a couple of weeks ago, and I used a recipe from our neighbors over there, Scott and Heidi. I saw Scott working on his canvas a few weeks ago. Went over there and asked him what he was using to clean the inside of the canvas, because I knew that mine needed to be done. And he shared a mixture that I think he Googled. Scott, if I am getting that wrong, if you made this up, I apologize. I'll give you all the credit for it, but I think you said you Googled it. And the results are amazing. You can already see, so these two panels right here were done a couple weeks ago, and they look really, really good. Now, there is still some dirt that you can see up there that's actually on the top side, because the canvas is a little bit, not see-through, but I mean, you can see the dirt on the other side, but the inside is super clean. And then this morning, I've been working on these panels over here. Again, these are wet. And then, of course, when they're wet, you can really see the dirt through the other side. But this is all clean, and this will be the next panel I'll do. Now, the mixture is 1 gallon of water, 1 cup of bleach, and 1/4 cup of Dawn detergent, just regular Dawn. And mixed up a gallon here. Take that gallon and we pour it into a spray bottle, just like this, and then spray it on. I've just been spraying it on, but this most recent panel right here, I did pre-soak it. And in order to pre-soak it and wash it or rinse it, we have a pressure tank that's just water. And this has been working so good that I thought I would go ahead and show you the process of how I'm using this water, bleach, and Dawn mixture to clean the inside of the canvas. It's working great. So we'll set the camera up and we'll do this panel right here. Okay, before I do this panel, I also want to mention that I do have a drop cloth down to cover up the seats and the sea deck flooring, just to be sure that the bleach that's in the mixture doesn't discolor the upholstery or flooring or anything. I don't think it would. I don't think it's enough to really do anything. But the drop cloth is here anyway. This is just the regular sheets that I use to cover the interior. When I leave the boat, I'll get these are going to get all watery and messy today, but they'll dry, and once they're dry, I'll check to see if there's any damage to them. I don't think there will be, but so yeah, we'll get this this panel done here. All right, so the first thing I do, just recently started doing this, is just doing a little pre-soak. Okay. I found with doing the pre-soak, I'm not having to use as much of the spray mixture. So then we take the spray. And I've got a fairly stiff bristle brush. I think Walmart, it's a Rubbermaid. You can get these. This was on the boat, but I've seen these. I mean, you can get them pretty much anywhere. And then just give it a good scrub. And it's going to turn white because of the soap. adding water, not more soap. Okay, after a good scrub, take our water, add this to the soap so we can do a rinse. And I've been soaking it pretty good, just so I can get the soap out. It's going to leave a little bit of soap behind, but it's not going to hurt anything. There's so little in there. Wipe it off. Kind of gross. Okay, once this towel's pretty much saturated, I've got one more spray. And then I've got another towel that's mostly dry. This, I mean, it's going to get wet the more you use it, obviously. Okay. You can see how good that looks compared to the panel next to it. Like I said, you still can see some of this stuff here. That's actually on the outside. So the outside of the canvas is going to get a good cleaning once the boat is out of the water. But as these areas start to dry, they start to look better and better, and eventually they'll look just like this, which is a massive difference compared to all this. So I have a lot of work to do, obviously, but this turned out really, really well. So I want to thank Scott from the Carver Martini over there, the 36 Carver. The solution works great, and I'm super thrilled with the results. So got probably a good, I don't know, 2 to 3 hours of work to do here. First day of cleanup weekend, so I'm going to do this, get the dinghy out of the water, gonna clean up pretty much everything on the inside, mop the floors, you know, just stuff that has to be done before the boat comes out of the water. And then in a few days, I'll come back up here and we'll take the boat out of the water on October 15th. So, okay, that took a good 4.5 hours, but the results were worth it. My shoulders are going to pay for this tomorrow. My back is going to pay for this tomorrow, but it looks fantastic. So here's the results. Looks amazing, but everything on the inside is now clean. It looks so much better. So thanks for watching this episode of the Wisco Boater channel. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you again, Scott, for giving me the recipe for cleaning the canvas. It looks fantastic. Really happy with it. So thanks again for that. If you like this episode, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, send me some comments, and if you want to be notified when I'm posting videos like this one, hit that notification bell. We'll see you next time on the Wisco Boater channel. Happy boating, everybody.